Good evening. Today it's 10:24 in the evening and it's September 27, 2023. Currently, see I'm already scratching. Currently po, I'm receiving therapy from Nuga Best. May product po kasi silang NM, no, it's E5. Ito yon. Pasensya na po, ang dami kasing product ng Nuga Best. Let me show you. Ayan, nakikita nyo? Okay. Yung pong product na ito is made specifically for elders and also those with arthritis. Sa elders kasi, pagka tumatanda po sila, nawawala ng muscles. So, nade-develop yung mga muscles. And, nung nakita nyo yung E5, this is the E5 by Nuga Best, meron siyang mga brown things. Let's see, here. Termanium ceramic po yan. It's a combination of several stones, particularly for tourmaline, with tourmaline. It improves everything in your body. Now, ang nagawa po nito sa akin is na-repair ang aking lumbar strain. Actually, punit-punit po ang muscles ko. And not only that, pati ang aking litid. So, with my recent lab tests, wala na po akong lumbar strain. Ang ating ginagamot na lamang po ang ating thoracic, T6, thoracic 6, and thoracic 9. Kasi po, meron pong na-develop na bone spurs. So, yun po ang ating ginagamot. Okay? Also, ano ba to? Meron din siyang effect na maganda sa arthritis. It removes gout and arthritis. It also serves to purify the blood. So, maganda ang ating blood circulation. Yung 120 days blood circulation, shift to good blood circulation. Now, kanina nyo pa nakikita to, di ba? Kanina nyo pa nakikita to. These are the cups. Ito, maliliit na cups po ito eh. And these cups, ito po dinidikit sa balat. May effect siya, minsan violet, minsan red, minsan wala lang. Pagka kasi medyo violet ang skin mo, para siyang ventosa ba yun? Ventosa, right? May nakabara sa ating blood, sa ating sistema. Now, pag red, medyo, pag white, okay naman na siya. Alam mo, sinusoften nito yung yung mga naninigas na mga muscles. Yung sa nerves. Actually, it's for the nerves. Now, pasensya na, medyo magulo, no? Meron pa hong isa. Kasama po nito, na dinidikit mismo sa ating mga balat, itong big cups, or big cups. Ito po, naman, ang function nito is for the muscles. So, yun. Nakadikit siya. Actually, pagka medyo may lamig-lamig makikita pag inalis to, maano siya, maraming pawis. No? It's not just with the sucking of the pawis, but makikita nyo na de-detoxify na rin kayo. Kasi yun ang purpose ng Nuga Best products, to detoxify us. Okay? Now, aside from this, eto exciting. These are the joysticks na ipinapalit sa pinapalit sa mga cups. Ano naman ang function nito? Actually, may current ito may electricity. Ngayon, itong electricity na to, nagsisirculate siya sa body niya. Hahawakan siya Teka lang. Nakikita niyo po ito. You see this? These brown things are termanium ceramics. So, kasi since made siya from tourmaline, black tourmaline, you can be rest assured that from the brain to the foot, okay siya. So, bakit nga ba may Nuga Best? So, yung founder ng Nuga Best saw to it that the product will focus on the spine. The spine. Bakit? Kasi po, kung wala tayong spine, malambot tayo. And the spine itself, well, seriously, the spine itself has many nerves. Connecting to the different organs of the body, not to mention ang blood natin. So, kahit na ano pong sakit, napapagaling nito. Yes, even those with brain, not malfunctions, but more on brain disorder. Ako kasi I was born with epilepsy. And then, na-develop ang aking bipolar, and fortunately, wala na si bipolar disorder. Epilepsy, pinagagaling niya. Ang main product kasi is the Enforbed. So, yun ang nagwo-work. Okay? But, that will be for another time. Ito naman po ang control niya. So, kasi E5 has moxibustion effect. Minsan, naantok ka, no? Kasi meron din siyang mga negative ions. Meron siyang nanodiamond, termanium combined. So, ito, pinupurify niya ang blood talaga. Pati ang air. Actually, matipid to sa kuryente. Enjoy lang. Pero ito kasi, ginagawa ko para sa aking spine din, sa thoracic. Kasi medyo nagkakaedad na. So, may osteo ako, arthritis. So, ginagamot niya yon. Coupled with, of course, diet. We have to have a diet for it. Hindi pwedeng saba ka lang. Ano kasi to investment natin ng health natin. It was given free. Nuga Best services are free. Kaya maraming tao dyan. And actually, nung COVID, it was the only company, medical company na inapprove ng government to function. I mean, to serve people. Free. Free, ha? And then you can also have invites. Bakit free? Kasi services po muna. Importante gumaling ka. Now, nasa sayo kung bibili ka. No, nasa sayo kung tatagal ka. I mean, kailangan mag-develop ka kailangan mag-improve lahat. Okay? You have to have invites too. Bakit ba may invites? Kasi you have to help people. Gumagaling ka na subok na, no? So, you can invite people. They can invite others also. Bakit? 1 month din yun. Now, if you buy a product, whether gadget or the Enforbed, makakatulong ka sa isang pamilyang maging libre din, di ba? Mga kasamahan mo. Actually, yung iba, pagka walang invite, pinapupunta namin sa mga bahay-bahay namin. We charge our fee, or katulad ko, kung walang pera, walang pera. Importante gumaling, ma-develop. So far, hindi po ito yung nakikita natin sa mall. Pag ikaw ay sumalang sa kahit na anong produkto, especially Enforbed na kayang pagalingin ng lahat from the spine itself, kasi may heat siya thermal heat, chiropractic heat, moxibustion. Dala na ho lahat. Mapapagaling po kayo. Now, so far, wala pa naman pong negative effect siya. Except, meron pong healing reaction itong mga to. Parang gamot yan Pag ininom nyo, nagkakaroon po tayo ng healing reactions. Like, for example, if you suffer from high blood and diabetes, katulad nung kakilala ko, nahilo, nagsuka. But then, let's go. The first 10 days, ano po yan? Babaho ang inyong poop, babahong ihi, magpapawis-pawis. So, inaalis niya. Nagre-repair na po siya. So, what you have to do, contribute nyo lang is warm water or maligamgam, not cold. Kasi nag-i-effect siya sa, nagkakaroon ng effect sa loob. So, it heals. Now, since medyo matatapos na si video sa kadaldalan ko, after this, marami pa po kayo matutunghayan sa aking reels. And I do hope that you enjoy each and every moment with me. I am now signing off again. You can call me Ri Arguada. Magandang gabi po.